Arnab Goswami on the debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by Softovac and Century Ply.
Jaya Bachchan, you are terribly wrong by exposing the drugs racket in Bollywood. Jaya Bachchan, we are cleansing the film industry. I don't want to embarrass Bollywood, but I saw a video today, Jaya Bachchan. Let me describe the video. There is this lady in her late 40s. She's completely drugged out. She's a drugged star kid in her late 40s. She's so drugged and so drugged that there are 4 people around her holding her as she's escorted, drugged out of a party. Now, you said today that you don't want to embarrass anyone. I don't want to embarrass anyone either, but this is a shame, Jaya Bachchan. We want to clean this. We want to clean the cinema industry of this kind of a druggy muck. Why are you standing flailing your hands about and seeking government protection and the protection of Parliament? Why, Jaya Bachchan? Parliament and the government must go after the drug mafia, not protect it. And I'm happy to inform you, Ms. Jaya Bachchan, that in the coming few days, many druggies will be called, and many druggies will be caught. You and Farhan Akhtar and Sonam and a few others who consider Ria, the drug syndicate member, the epitome of Indian feminism, all of you can do what you want. You can keep shouting. Go to your rooftops and shout a little bit more, but justice will be done. So instead of hyperventilating in frustration, I have a suggestion. It is better if Bollywood stars and star kids who are druggies go into rehab, because the sources of drugs are going to now be stopped. And you people have the money. Use it to control your withdrawal symptoms. Use it to control your withdrawal symptoms. Don't have withdrawal symptoms in public. It's embarrassing. It's shameful. I'm sorry if your drug supplies have slowed down. That's also part of the cleansing process. And there's one more thing. The bhai culture in Bollywood is also coming to an end. The bhai culture. Some bhais have run away from India anyway, I've been told recently. The rest of them, crying, flailing, shouting, screaming, making a scene, embarrassing yourselves. My message is simple to all of you. One is in our hashtag this evening, which is hashtag Wake Up Bollywood. To the rest of you, I say in 3 words, 10 letters in all. 3 words and 10 letters in all. Deal with it. Deal with it. The country is telling you this. Deal with it. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 big debates this evening on this Tuesday evening edition of The Debate. Deal with it, Bollywood. Your problem's not our problem. You are having a withdrawal, that's your problem as well. But Bollywood has no right to put up a lobby in Parliament. That's debate number 1. Debate number 2 this evening. Yes, we are getting more and more clues about Disha's murder. No doubt about it, Disha was killed. Shocking details about how Disha was killed. The story that Bollywood does not want to talk about. But listen, we're coming excruciatingly close to the truth right now. Now, on that also, Bollywood, deal with it. And debate number 3 at 10:30 p.m. tonight, as Rajnath makes a statement on China in Parliament. The pro-China lobby is shamed. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight.
One of our members in the Lok Sabha spoke, who is from the industry. It's a shame. Jis thali mein khate hain, usme chhed karte hain.
Exposed for drug links are rattled. Bollywood props up Jaya Bachchan to speak for them in Parliament.
थाली में खाया मैं ना छेद किया, मैंने स्वयं की थाली बनाई, मैंने उसी में भोजन पाया। जया जी, इस चीज को रोकना होगा।
Bollywood cabal betrays the national sentiment. Kangana and Ravi Kishan vow to expose dirty drug secrets as a people's movement starts to boycott these people in Bollywood. For the first time ever, Riya Chakrabarty's June 8th connection comes under national scrutiny. It's a Republic super exclusive. Every hidden lead on the murder angle is being unearthed. Is the truth about Sushant's death linked to June 8th? And where is Rohan Rai? Will he be summoned and grilled by the CBI? We are reopening the Disha case with 20 investigative reports tonight.
हमारे बहादुर जवान अत्यंत मुश्किल परिस्थितियों में अपने अथक प्रयास से समस्त देशवासियों को सुरक्षित रख रहे हैं। किसी को भी हमारे सीमा की सुरक्षा के प्रति हमारे डिटर्मिनेशन के बारे में संदेह नहीं होना चाहिए।
And Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh blasts China and the pro-China lobby in India, sends an uncompromising message. And ladies and gentlemen, the campaign for Sushant has led to a churning in this country. People of India have come together to reject the nepotistic, elitist and arrogant Bollywood cabal that uses its shallow, holier-than-thou facade to bury dirty drug secrets. The same cabal propped up Jaya Bachchan today to do its bidding in Parliament. Watch how her outburst went against national sentiment. Watch the elitist tone of her comments. This only further exposed their conspiracy of silence in the Disha and Sushant murder cases, which we are both investigating.
We are being used to be flogged.
Propped up by Bollywood on the second day of the monsoon session, actor turned parliamentarian Jaya Bachchan gave a clean chit to the film industry that has hit the headlines for its dirty drug links.
People who have made their name in this film industry have called it a gutter. You cannot tarnish the image of the entire industry.
Right.
A direct attack on Kangana, who minced no words while exposing the filth.
बॉलीवुड का जो गटर है, जो गंदी नाली है, क्यों इसको पूरे देश ने सर पे चढ़ा के रखा हुआ है? क्यों इसमें क्लीनिंग नहीं हो रही है? जब सारे देश में स्वच्छ भारत हो रहा है तो इधर क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
A counter to BJP's Ravi Kishan, who wants a complete drug clean-up in Bollywood.
One of our members in the Lok Sabha spoke, who is from the industry. It's a shame. जिस थाली में खाते हैं, उसमें छेद करते हैं.
थाली में खाया मैं, ना छेद किया. मैंने स्वयं की थाली बनाई. मैंने उसी में भोजन पाया जया जी. इस चीज को रोकना होगा. ये चीज पूरे देश को मालूम है.
It's evident that the multi-agency investigation that's taking place in Mumbai is making many nervous. Here's why. Because top PR bosses like Bunty Sachdev have already faced questions by the CBI. Because there are sensational claims about an alleged June 8th party which was attended by actors, builders and politicians, a party that Disha was forced to be a part of.
She was called there against her wish, but eventually she showed up at the party. And at the party, when she was there for a while, whatever happened, wrong happened to her at the party, she left from there, and she called up Sushant.
Because their silence on Disha's mysterious death and the suspicious circumstances, like the installation of a grill post her death, is not lost on anyone.
बिल नहीं लगा सकते। अच्छा। अभी हम अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए लगा सकते हैं। अगर बिल्डर लगाएंगे तो बिल्डर का ओसी कैंसिल हो जाएगा। अच्छा। हाँ, अभी सब बिल्डिंग में वैसे ही होता है। कोई भी बिल्डिंग में, पहले की बिल्डिंग में बिल्डर लगा के, अब कोई बिल्डिंग में बिल्डर ये ग्रिल लगा ओपन था विंडो। हाँ, अब भी ग्रिल लगा है ना ओपन होने के बाद, वाइट वाला।
And finally, because Riya is taking names and the NCB has proof against at least 25 biggies. 93 days back, when Sushant died under mysterious circumstances, many were quick to push the suicide theory. Tonight, as the murder angle becomes the focal point of the investigation in both Sushant and Disha's death, Bollywood has clearly betrayed the national sentiment.
ड्रग्स की थाली भरी हुई है. अगर छेद नहीं करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? और परोसेंगे हम लोगों को.
Let's debate.
My first question today, Bharti Pradhan will open the debate. Bharat Dabholkar, welcome. Akashdeep Sabir, Fauzi Arshi. Priyanka Deo is a digital journalist. And Rabia Khan, mother of Jia Khan. Mukesh Khanna.
Thank you.
Malini Awasthi. Mukesh Khanna, well-known actor and producer. Malini Awasthi. She's a legend and a folk singer. And Sambit Patra is opening the debate with Bharti Pradhan. My simple question is, look at the tone. जिस थाली में खाई है उसी में छेद की है. The tone is, you are nobodies. We gave you a plate, we fed you, you ungrateful wretches. You ungrateful wretches, you ate on our plate,
Okay,
you
okay.
ungrateful,
You
you
want me to talk?
professionals.
You want
1
me to
minute, allow me to complete. This is my interpretation.
Want me to talk?
This is my interpretation. You will talk after I finish and Sambit
I
will respond to
understood
you.
what you said.
I will begin with my interpretation.
Okay.
My interpretation, the way India has understood it is,
Okay.
I, Jaya Bachchan, actor, family of Diners, wife of Amitabh Bachchan, right? In my family, my son Abhishek Bachchan, my daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai, we, the big people. You, Ravi Kishan, small town. You, Kangana Ranaut. You, Sushant Singh Rajput. We gave you the plate, we fed you, you ungrateful wretches. And now you want to make a hole in the plate? To which Ravi Kishan rightly says, Sambit, मैंने तो किसी की थाली नहीं ली. मैंने तो किसी की थाली लेके उस पे छेद नहीं किया. मैंने तो अपने आप को खाना खुद परोसा, खुद खाया. Wonderful reply. So first, before going into the drugs angle, I want Bharti and Sambit to open the debate
Okay,
with
now
this,
may I?
with the way in which she spoke.
Yes.
Who
I
the hell
want
do
to.
these people think they are?
May I please?
Yeah,
and
Bharti,
may
you
I
can,
please
you can,
talk?
you can, you
May I
can,
please
you
talk
can,
without
you can, and
interruption?
Sambit also
First and
can
foremost-
reply,
yeah,
and
okay,
Sambit
then
will
may I
reply.
start? Okay, may
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
start?
yeah.
Okay, may I start then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me start. First and foremost, I don't belong to any cabal. I'm not here as a spokesperson for any
Everybody
party
says that.
or any group. I don't agree all the time with Jaya Bachchan. I don't always agree with Kangana either. I have my own opinions based on the facts that I know. First and foremost, as far as Jaya Bachchan is concerned, I don't interpret it the way you have. Because I don't see any arrogance in what she said. And she's not a dynast. She's a self-made woman. She's comes from Bhopal. She comes from a small
And she
town.
referred to
But she
I don't know
spoke
what
like a
you're talking
dynast.
about when you're saying she's a dynast.
Then she should
and she's
speak up for
looking
Disha
down at-
Salian.
What? But she's not.
But
She's
then
from a
Disha, no, 1 minute,
self-made
Bharti,
woman.
then she should speak up for
She's
Disha
a
Salian.
self-made woman.
99%
So
of
do
Yeah,
not
Disha
call her
Salian was
dynast.
also a self-made
First and
woman.
foremost,
Sushant Singh
do
Rajput
not
was also
call
a
her
self-made man.
dynast
तो
because-
किसकी
do
थाली ली?
not call her- do
किसकी
not-
थाली
Yes,
खींची?
but-
किसकी
but-
थाली?
denies that.
किसकी
but why
थाली
do you
ली?
think she's looking down on
सुशांत सिंह
small town
राजपूत
people?
और कंगना ने
No,
किसकी
denies
थाली
that.
ली? रवि किशन ने
First and
किसकी
foremost,
थाली में
she
छेद
did
किया?
not-
किसकी
थाली
थाली किसकी
And
छेद?
you are
क्या बात कर रहे
I'm
हैं?
sorry,
Bollywood
Arnab.
gutter.
You are interpreting it as she does.
No, I'm not misinterpreting
Go after
anything.
the drug
Bollywood
mafia.
gutter.
When did she say
I'm
do
saying
not go after
99%
All she said was don't malign an entire industry. That's all she said.
Who's maligning
she said,
the industry?
Don't malign an
Who's
entire
maligning the industry?
That's all she said.
Who's
She
maligning
did
the
not
industry?
say
We are saying that
don't
the
go-
industry should be
She
cleansed.
did not say don't
No,
go
no,
after
1
the
minute.
drug mafia.
Okay.
She
Bharti,
has no
Bharti,
problem.
Bharti, now you must hear the
Listen,
response.
let
You
me
must hear the
tell you.
response. You
No,
must
no,
hear the
I have
response.
to- No,
1
no,
minute.
Arnab,
1
no,
minute.
No, you have to listen to something.
No, but you can't make a
have to-
speech. You are in a
no,
debate.
Please listen to something.
No,
I
but
have
you're
to
not.
say
You
about Jaya
have to
Bachchan.
stop at some point. You listen to the others.
No,
There are
but
8
I have
people
to
on the
tell you
panel.
something about Jaya
Priyanka
Bachchan
also
because
raises
what
her
you're
hand.
saying is
Priyanka
wrong.
Deo wants to have a go.
You know
1
what
minute.
you
Priyanka
are
Deo
saying
wants to
is
interrupt you.
wrong.
Priyanka Deo.
Completely
Responding to
wrong.
Bharti.
What you're
Sambit, wait a
saying
minute.
is
Yes,
completely
Priyanka.
wrong. No, I will not. You're not
No,
letting
you
me
have to
complete
let
what I
others
want
come
to
in.
say.
Yeah.
You're not
First
letting
of all,
me
it
complete
was a
what I want to
complete
say.
personal insult.
But
First,
let me complete.
No, you listen to me because I was on the news the other day because I was called a troll by Farhan Akhtar, who is part of the same Bollywood cabal, who is defending Jaya Bachchan. Where was she when what about her own party leaders? In 2014, where was she when Azam Khan made lewd and disgraceful comments against her own co-actress, Jaya Prada, who was in the BJP at the time? Where was she? Where was her forthrightness and where was her attempt to speak on behalf of Bollywood then?
I'm not a spokesperson.
Yesterday, I was
Jaya
trolled by
Bachchan.
Farhan Akhtar.
I'm
I was
not
called
Jaya
a
Bachchan's
troll.
spokesperson because I don't agree
He
with
told
half
me
the
it's a
things she says.
personal.
I
well,
don't
I'm
agree
not a
with half the things
spokesperson
Jaya
for
Bachchan
anyone
says.
anyway.
I don't agree
As
with
a
Farhan
citizen of
Akhtar.
India, how come
don't
I was
stand for
trolled by
Omar
Farhan
Khalid.
Akhtar?
I don't say free Omar Khalid. I don't stand for
So
any
you
of
don't
them.
agree with Jaya Bachchan
I
then?
don't stand for Omar Khalid. I don't
All I'm
stand for
asking is,
patriarchy.
where was she?
I don't
If you're
agree with
talking
any of
about her
those statements.
forthrightness,
I don't
if you're
agree with
talking
Jaya
about
Bachchan
her
not speaking up.
forthrightness,
No, 1
now
minute.
Bollywood has to speak
You're
on
going into.
behalf of
You're
Bollywood.
asking
1 minute.
about
I have.
No, I'm sorry.
No,
you're
I think
talking
there's a
about
battle and a
whole lot
churn.
of issues.
Let's be very
I'm
clear
talking
about it.
My
only about
point is,
today's
where was
issue
she?
and
If you're
nothing
talking
more.
about her
I'm
forthrightness,
only commenting on today's issue and nothing more. I'm not talking
Fine.
about anything
Okay,
else.
fine.
I'm talking
Priyanka.
about today's issue
okay,
and
fine,
nothing
cool.
Priyanka.
So to that, I have
The
to
debate
say
is open,
this. Then
Priyanka.
I have
I
one
don't
question
stand
to
with
you.
Omar
If you're
Khalid.
talking about today,
No, because you're talking
if
about
you're
Farhan
talking
Akhtar.
about today,
I don't
if you're
agree.
talking about
The
today's
debate's really opened up,
incident,
viewers.
okay?
Once if Priyanka is
If you're
responding,
talking
Bharti, you've got to.
about- will you
Bharti is
listen
an
to me
represent
while
Bharti.
I
Since we
debate?
began the
If you're
program, you're not
talking
stopping, and I
about
request you.
today, if you're
I request you. I
talking
implore you.
about
I plead to you. I make a genuine request to stop you, and I'm telling you, Bharti, just wait now. Wait now. Now the fake is you got to listen to the other side. Now
If
Priyanka
you're
has the
talking
right.
about
Yes, Priyanka.
today's incident, all
Yes.
I'm asking you, I have one very simple question. If you're talking just about today's incident and her speech, if you're talking about her forthrightness to clean up Bollywood, then where was she when her own party made unethical comments against her own fellow Bollywood actresses in the
Again, you're
past?
going back
She
to-
Akashdeep
was
is responding.
astoundingly
Akashdeep is
and
responding to that.
disgracefully silent.
you're going-
Akashdeep is
Azam
responding
said
to that.
she-
No, but that, how does that, why are you saying that because you have no answer to her statement today? Are you saying this because you have no answer to her statement
No,
today?
I am saying that, yes, I will
Every
answer
time
that.
a present
I'm
topic
saying
is
that
being
because
discussed,
it's
you
an
will think of something on the
agenda-driven
past.
speech. It is
How
not
will-
to
how
clean
does
up
that-
Bollywood.
No, let
It
me
is
finish.
just an
Priyanka, let me
agenda-driven
finish.
speech on behalf of
Priyanka,
Bollywood
let me
mafia
finish.
and on
No,
behalf
do
of this
not
cabal.
misinterpret her quotation. No, do not misinterpret what she said. Nobody in their sane mind will say do not cleanse any industry of drugs, let alone Bollywood. She meant because Bollywood was called gutter and because it was said that
Yes.
99%
Those who
of
consume
she
drugs are
silent
part of the
on
gutter.
cartel.
Why is she
Those were
silent
loose
on
statements and she
Sushant Singh
defended that.
Rajput? Why is she
And when
silent
Ravi
on
Kishan
Disha
says what he
Salient?
has to and
Why
I
is she
respect what he
silent on
said,
the
it
issues
is
that
okay.
Bollywood
But
is
when
being
Jayaji
tagged
says
with
it,
today
the Bollywood
and being
cabal has
plagued
propped
with
her up.
today? Why
Then
is she
which
so
cabal has
silent
propped
on those
Ravi Kishan up?
issues?
1 minute. Okay, opening the debate. Sambit's been wanting to come into the debate. 1
It's the
second.
same cabal.
1 minute. 1 minute. Bharti Pradhan, just wait a minute. Sambit's opening. Malini is not spoken. Malini is not spoken. Mukesh Khanna is not spoken. Neither is Rabia. We need to listen to each other. 1 minute. 1 minute, everyone. Now, here's the one thing. Here's one thing. Today in Bollywood. Today in Parliament, I'm sorry. Just a minute, Bharti. Bharti, can I anchor the program? I know you wanted to be an anchor, but you couldn't be an anchor, so you're fighting with me and trying to stop me from carrying on my professional duty. In that sense, you joined the illustrious ranks of the Mumbai police, which has tried to impede me from performing my professional duties. Please wait. Today in Parliament, in the Rajya Sabha at 0 hour, Sambit Patra, Jaya Bachchan suddenly stood up and in a cut glass accent spoke for Bollywood. The same Bollywood that has maintained a conspicuous, dithering, pathetic, embarrassing, shameful silence on Sushant's death, Disha's death, drug nexus, is blithering and cheering for her. They've absolutely gone into this spasmodic, clapping for rounds of applause for her. Now, the way the people look at it, this is aristocratic league of Bollywood attacking the common man seeking justice for SSR. This is the Bollywood elitist alliance taking on the self-made people. They don't like Ravi Kishan, they don't like Kangana. They don't like Kangana, they don't like Ravi Kishan. They never liked Sushant. And this unspoken elitist alliance of silence, which cannot face the reality that the dirt in Bollywood is being questioned by people across, is now coming together. I want to ask just one question as I open the debate. Jaya Bachchan, if you're listening tonight, and I know you are watching, people close to you are watching. Was Disha Salian a part of the same film industry? So Disha was killed. You know what? Killed. Thrown out, flung out of a window, killed. She died. I won't talk about what else happened to her. She died. She was killed, she was murdered. She was from your industry. Did you dare to open your mouth at that point of time? Would you say?
Are you blaming the film industry?
Would you? Yeah, silence of the film industry. Silence is complicity in these cases. Sambit Patra is on the debate. I'm stepping back. Sambit is on the debate. Viewers, wake up Bollywood is a hashtag tonight. Yes, Sambit.
Thank you. If only others allow me, I don't want to really have a fight. Thank you. If only Bharti and other allow me to speak, I would be able to speak. See, since Bharti ji says that she is not the spokesperson of Jaya Bachchan, I firmly believe that she would allow me to speak. Thank you. Mr. Goswami, first and foremost, since we are having a debate on jis thali mein khaya, us thali mein ched kiya, let me begin by saying that this is not a thali anymore. It's a sieve. ये छलनी है, ये थाली नहीं है.
Well said.
इस थाली में इतने छेद हो चुके हैं, ड्रग का छेद, टेररिज्म का छेद, मर्डर का छेद, इतनी छेद हो चुकी है इस थाली में कि ये थाली थाली नहीं है. ये अब छलनी बन चुकी है और ये छलनी सबको दिख रहा है. That's the reason as to why cleaning up exercise is very essential. The irony is, I mean, look at these people. You commit a crime, try your best to cover up a crime, and those who try to expose the crime, you in fact try to take on them, you troll them, you speak against them. All was well outside the parliament, was happening on the streets, was happening on the social media. Most saddeningly and most ironically, today it has happened on the floor of the parliament, the temple of democracy. With all due respect to Jaya Bachchan ji, whom we all like, I'm a big fan of Jaya Bhaduri. I remember when she was Jaya Bhaduri, from those days we have been watching her movies. I'm saddened when she is a heroine, when she is in fact one of the actresses who is loved and liked. The duty of a parliamentarian is cleansing the country of the ills, of the sins, of the crimes. What was Ravi Kishan talking about? Ravi Kishan never generalized the whole thing. Ravi Kishan ji said only about few people in the Bollywood industry as in India. My question to the Bollywood fraternity today is, you made a movie called as Udta Punjab. You made a movie in which you showed, rightfully you showed, a menace of drug addiction in Punjab. Did you try to malign Punjab or did you try to do good to Punjab? You tried to cleanse the drug menace in Punjab. Rahul Gandhi then said that 70% of youth in Punjab are drug addicts. Did Jaya Bachchan get up to say that, hey, don't generalize, don't malign Punjab, Punjabis are good people? Well, yes, Rahul Gandhi was trying to malign them. That time Jaya Bachchan was quiet, and this is the reason as to why hypocrisy cannot be taken. And I would like to conclude by reminding myself of the famous, ad lines, Hema, Rekha, Jaya or Sushma, sabki pasand Nirma. See, I can vouch and say, well, yes, Hema does like Nirma, she wants cleaning of the cleaning of the whole system. Rekha and Sushma will speak for themselves. But today I am quite clear that Jaya Bachchan does not like Nirma. She does not want the cleaning of the system. It would have been so good if Jaya Bachchan also would have wanted cleaning of the system. Thank you.
Thank you, Sambit Patra. Now, product placement is not allowed. You have separate ad breaks on the program, so you've just done a product placement for a detergent. But I get your point. We get our point. We get your point. Bharat Dabolkar is on the debate. Bharat Dabolkar is on the debate. I don't know why Bharati is upset. She's upset at everything. Now, am I naming anyone?
Can I speak?
Am I naming anyone? Am I naming anyone? We all know the people, the stars who habitually consume drugs, peddle drugs. Now I have a question, Bharat. Am I naming anyone? First of all, no. Everyone on the program, please watch this. Bharat.
Yeah.
Bharat, listen, my question, Bharat. My question. Actually, this question not to you, but to all the others on the program. Fawzia, what is Susie?
Yeah.
Fawzia, what is Susie? Fawzia, I repeat, Mukesh Khanna, everyone's listening, Ravia. What is Susie? The nation wants to know. Jaya Bachchan, please go tomorrow to Parliament, I suggest, and tell them that Arnab asked a question on the program. And Arnab's question was, and if I were in Parliament and I was standing on the other side, I would look at Jaya Bachchan in the eye and say, Jaya ji, Susie kya hai? Arey Fawzia, this Bollywood industry, tell Jaya Bachchan, has patented a drug and called it Susie. in honor of a personality who uses it and peddles it.
I can't hear.
Informally called Susie. तो आप लोगों क्या, you know, I will take the mask off your faces. I will just ask you, Susie क्या है? ये shamelessness इतनी है मालिनी अवस्थी कि इन्होंने ड्रग का नाम ही उन्होंने बॉलीवुडाइज कर दिया है, जिसको कहते हैं गेट मी 2 Susies, get me 3 Susies, bro.
Arnab, when you say
No. What is Susie?
Please elaborate.
I'm asking you, please elaborate. What is Susie?
No,
Aren't you
Bollywood
ashamed?
is
This
name.
is an
We know
industry
about Susie.
where people in the industry have called drugs by their names.
Entire industry for it.
What is Susie? Bharti Pradhan, what is Susie?
Why are you damning an entire industry?
I am not damning. I am only going after those who consume the drugs.
No idea. And why are you damning?
What is Susie?
Why are you damning an entire?
What is Susie,
industry for
viewers?
it? Last year.
What is Susie? Last year, this year, I don't want to know.
Japan. Why? I never heard.
I want to know what is Susie.
Corporate world. I never
I want to know Susie क्या है?
Why did you go after?
I am asking you.
I want to know why did you go after the?
I am asking you. I am going after all of them. You know, I am the millstone around your neck, Bharti.
Japan last year.
I am the Damocles sword.
The entire corporate world.
Yeah, I am the Damocles sword which will shred apart the mask that you put on yourself. What is Susie?
No.
What is Susie?
At all.
No. I want to know, Priyanka Deo, what is Susie? Malini Deo, ये इतनी बेशर्मी इनकी बढ़ गई थी 1-2 साल पहले तक कि इन्होंने नाम दे दिया ड्रग अपने पीछे. इतनी बेशर्मी. और ये मुझे बोला जाता है ये जो सूजी वाले जिन्होंने पेटेंट किया है, ये मैं और खुलकर बोलूंगा, ये सूजी is usually used and is a drug of choice in an illegal bungalow next to the ocean, next to the Arabian Sea, constructed illegally where Susie flows like water. Now what is Susie?
So why don't you find out?
What is Susie?
What Nesvadiak likes to call.
What is Susie? Now the answer is. Now the question goes to Malini. Malini is on the debate. Malini and Fawzia are on the debate. Malini and Fawzia. Malini and Fawzia.
Yeah.
Arnav, I'm startled by your revelations.
Yes.
I'm sure you have more facts than most of us do. But let me. I am speaking. Give me at least a minute or two to speak my mind, please. All I need to say today, Arnav, Jaya ji, we have immense respect for her as an artist and as a very strong-willed woman. She is a lawmaker, as is Ravi Kishan. What I fail to understand that as a lawmaker, why is she opposing the cleanup?
Yeah.
Who is she? What is she trying to hide? What is making her so uncomfortable? I thought that she
did not oppose the cleanup.
And
no,
please, Bharti ji or whoever, excuse me, whoever is on the debate, I want to ask. I want to counter question. Singling out some people or taking a government action does not mean singling out the whole Bollywood industry. Nobody is maligning the industry. Arnav,
but that's what you're doing.
It's very strange and ironical. In the name of freedom of expression, Bollywood has long shown ministers as criminals. They have shown officers and police officers as corrupt officers. Does that mean that they malign the entire industry?
Why are you calling
So why are they becoming so uncomfortable right now?
You can't do that.
It's not about maligning them.
Talk to a few individuals.
You should be in fact coming out and you should be happy. Bollywood is a part of India, and when you talk about nation, I would like to. You should be applauding the government's move to stop the industry.
You don't damn the entire industry for what?
Yes,
the entire
Priyanka.
industry.
You don't damn a whole industry.
Bollywood is a part of
The
India,
nation wants to
and
know.
nobody is
As
above law.
Arnab says, the nation wants to know. We are asking these questions, and why is she silent on these issues? Why is she so interested in just?
Keep quiet.
Why is she just
claiming to
interested
be
on
about
just?
I do believe. I don't think everybody in Bollywood takes the drug. But those who don't, why do not they come up and speak up for them? If somebody
Why are you
Decides, the government
everybody?
agency decides.
Why are you
who-
painting the entire country in one color?
Clean up my house. If
four
I'm
incidents don't
questioned,
make the
what is
entire
your
industry.
problem? Who are you defending?
I
And why
want
are
to
you getting so
know.
uncomfortable?
I want to know, is this Bollywood or Susie Wood?
The fact that you are
I want to know whether this is Bollywood or Susie Wood. What is Susie, viewers? I think I want to know. Karan Johar should tell the country if he knows. I'm asking a question. Karan Johar, do you know what is Susie? 1 minute. Does Karan Johar know what is Susie? Sambit?
promoting the name of the
And they have the temerity to seek protection in parliament. And they also say Mukesh Khanna and Bharat Dabolkar are on the debate now. They also say Mukesh Khanna and Bharat Dabolkar, Mukesh ji, they say we employ 5 lakh people. They say we employ 5 lakh people, hence we should be protected. Well, I can also say today, okay, Republic Media Network employs over 1,000 people. Should I be protected against the law? There are companies which employ hundreds of thousands of people. Can they get away with anything? That's rubbish. Now the question is this. Mukesh Khanna and Bharat Dabolkar. You know Bharat, you've been in the industry. This is there for a long time. You employ a lot of people doesn't mean you have a right. Names are emerging. These Narcotics Control Bureau is a very serious organization, and it is led by a fantastic officer called Mr. Asthana. Whatever is going to come out, you can't mock it, you can't use, because one of your people is in parliament, you can't pressurize anything. Drugs is linked to, I'll only tell you one thing, Bharat, and I've known you for some time, Bharat. Drugs is linked, is one of the reasons why Disha and Sushant were murdered.
One basic thing.
Yeah, you make your point and then Mukesh Khanna will respond to you. Yeah.
I'll just make a point that I think Kangana's statement has been misunderstood by everybody that I've talked to. She did not say that Bollywood gutter hai. She said Bollywood mein jo gutter hai.
Yeah.
I think there's a huge difference. Bollywood is a beautiful garden, but garden mein jo gutter hai, usko clean karna hai.
तो ठीक ही बोला.
I don't know why Jaya ji and everybody is getting uptight about why are you calling Bollywood? Nobody is called Bollywood names. Within Bollywood, there's some bad things happening. Those need to be cleaned up, is I think what she said.
Yeah.
Which is what even Ravi Kishan said.
Yeah.
Everybody is wrong when they say.
तो ये थाली और छेद वाली बात कहाँ से आ गई फिर? जिस थाली में खाया उसमें छेद क्या means what? I'll tell you one thing.
I'll say one more thing. When Jaya ji said that जिस थाली में खाते हो उसमें छेद मत करो, I only want to say that unless I eat in that thali, I would not know what is wrong with the thali. What is salty, what is sweet in that, I will not know.
No, it was a very judgmani kind of patronizing comment also. नहीं, comment एक बहुत specific था. मैं सिर्फ ये पूछूंगा और I want to hand over to Mukesh ji after that. Because then I want to ask Jaya ji, why are you quiet? Why don't you ask your friends in Bollywood, why are they quiet on what happened on 8th? We've been reporting it. Why does Amitabh Bachchan and Farhan Akhtar not talk about how Disha was killed? Was Disha not a part of the industry, Mr. Bachchan? Mr. Farhan Akhtar? Mr. Bachchan, tell me. Was Disha not Aishwarya's manager at one point of time? Does she not deserve 2 words from you? Am I asking for too much? Am I saying something fundamentally wrong? Am I questioning the gods of Bollywood? I believe there are no gods. There's only a God Almighty. Why should we not ask? There are names that have emerged in the Narcotic Control Bureau net already. It's a crying shame. Shame today. When Kangana's house was demolished, you were quiet. When her house was targeted, you were quiet. On the circumstances behind Sushant's death, you were quiet. And suddenly you found your voice. Mukesh Khanna, आवाज इनकी निकल गई जब ड्रग्स वाला एंगल शुरू हो गया. तब हमारी थाली, हमारी छेद, पूरा लैंग्वेज बदल गया. मुकेश खन्ना.
Arnav ji, let me tell you one thing. Bharat Dabolkar very rightly said कि बॉलीवुड गटर नहीं है, बॉलीवुड में जो गटर है. It makes a difference. Very nicely said that nobody is condemning the whole Bollywood. पूरी इंडस्ट्री का कोई बुराई नहीं कर रहा है. लेकिन एक कहावत आप लोगों को याद होनी चाहिए कि जो एक गंदी मछली जो है वो पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है।
बिल्कुल
जी,
वन
ब्यूटीफुल।
उसको अगर ढूंढना पड़ता है तो कभी कभी यू हैव टू पूरे के पूरे तालाब को आपको खंगालना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो मछली पकड़ी जाती है। राइट नाउ इट इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन, एंड इफ समबडी सेज के मैं थाली में जिसमें खाते हो उसमें छेद क्यों करते हो, लेट मी टेल यू, थाली की बात नहीं हो रही है। इवन संबित पात्रा वेरी राइटली सेड कि थाली नहीं छलनी हो गई है। पर मैं एक बात ऐड करना चाहूंगा, आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड वन मोर थिंग, दैट वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट थाली। हम थाली में परोसे हुए खाने की बात कर रहे हैं। आप उस थाली में क्या परोसा जा रहा है? राइट नाउ द होल इंडस्ट्री, व्हाई आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल इंडस्ट्री? वी डोंट से दैट एवरीबडी इज बैड इन द इंडस्ट्री. They say that there are good people in the industry, there are bad people in the industry. We are saying, okay, then tell us who is bad and who is good. For that we need a FBI inquiry, we need narcotics inquiry. Why are you opposing it? If you are good, sit, wait for their instruction, wait for their investigation. Why are you afraid? Why are you making noise? जिस थाली में खा रहे हो उसको छेद मत करो. अरे भाई, we are भारतीय
अरे
अगर खाना गंदा है, वन मोर थिंग आई वुड वन मोर थिंग आई लाइक टू ऐड,
मुकेश जी मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, let the investigation happen.
नहीं इतना बोल, नहीं 1 minute, nobody, just a minute, don't do this, 1 minute, don't start suddenly saying when you know the investigation is coming close to you. 1 minute, this has become a new formula nowadays. Investigation is good as long as it is far from you. But if the investigation of the same channel comes close to you, then you call it a media trial. Mukesh Khanna is responding. Yes, Mukesh Khanna. Sambit, coming back to you in a minute. Mukesh Khanna.
No, I don't.
Yes,
I don't call it any media trial.
Like to add. I would like to add.
Cliches like that. I never use cliches like media trial.
Yeah.
I've been media myself. I don't
Mukesh
use
Khanna.
words like media trial.
Yeah, but you've never questioned the dirt in Bollywood. You show me one word in your column ever you have written where you've questioned the dirt in Bollywood, where you've spoken about the use of drugs in Bollywood. Show me once you've written in your 50 or 40-year-old career. Please tell me. Not once.
I'll
not once. Yeah, Mukesh is responding to you for now. Mukesh is responding to you for now.
I'll send it to
Mukesh is responding to you for now.
I don't stand with open comment. I don't stand.
Mukesh Khanna.
I don't do.
Bharti ji, you have spoken a lot. Bharti ji, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, एक बात सुनिए. अगर इंडस्ट्री को क्लीन अप का प्रोसेस किया जा रहा है, लेट्स लिसन टू मी, जस्ट लिसन टू मी. डोंट प्रोटेक्ट द इंडस्ट्री. यू आर फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री, आई एम आल्सो फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री. आई एम फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री फॉर 40 इयर्स. आप सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, मैं भी हूं इंडस्ट्री से हूं. लिसन टू मी. You are just making your point. You're just protecting somebody who are criminally having drugs.
I'm listening.
Do you know cleaning up the industry में नुकसान किसका होगा? Listen मेरी बात को. No, don't talk when I finish. Don't talk till I finish. I'm saying the cleaning process of the industry, किसका नुकसान होगा? ड्रग इंडस्ट्री का नुकसान होगा, ड्रग डॉन्स का नुकसान होगा. इंडस्ट्री के बच्चे, सो कॉल्ड जो स्टार किड्स हैं, उनकी तबीयत, उनके जो ड्रग्स नहीं लेंगे तो उनका जो शरीर बचेगा. दे शुड थिंक दिस क्लीनिंग अप प्रोसेस.
Absolutely.
They are just अपने शरीर को खोखला बना रहे हैं लोग, पूरे समाज को खोखला बना रहे हैं.
और एक बात है,
हम उनका हेल्प कर रहे हैं, हम उनको
और एक बात है. I use the phrase, no, Sambit is on the debate right now. Sambit is on the debate. Fawzia is on the debate. Fawzia, 1 minute. No, Sambit and Rabia on one side. Malini, I'm coming to you in a minute because Rabia has not spoken. The question is, what we are doing is,
I'll just take 20 seconds before Rabia ji comes in.
All right, both.
I'll just take 20 seconds. Yeah, after you speak, Arnav, I'll take 20 seconds.
Okay, thank you. This is first time anyone does पहले आप to me on the program. No, आपने पहले आप किया तो मैंने ले लिया. अभी आप second time नहीं कर सकते. आप रुकिए, मैंने ले लिया पहले आप. The question is this: we are reclaiming the industry. What is happening is we are reclaiming. See, nobody owns the Indian cinema industry. 4 or 5 families started thinking, Fawzia, that हमारी industry नहीं है, आपकी नहीं थी, नहीं होगी. हमारी, हम ले रहे हैं उसको वापस. आपकी जागीर नहीं है, आपने उसको बर्बाद करने की कोशिश की, ड्रग्स कनेक्शन डाल दिया। हम सफाई करेंगे, वैक्यूम क्लीन करके आपको हाथ में नहीं परोसेंगे।
इंडस्ट्री स्टेटस तो दिया
नहीं, आपको नहीं परोसेंगे। इंडस्ट्री का, इन लोगों का बहिष्कार तो देश करने वाला है। आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम गारंटीइंग यू, गारंटी, बट वी आर रिक्लेमिंग आवर इंडस्ट्री। फौजिया इज ऑन द बेड। फौजिया, माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, आकाशदीप ब्रेक ले लो ना। आकाशदीप आपका इंटरवल चल रहा है, 1 मिनट रुकिए। आकाशदीप आपका इंटरवल चल रहा है, आप रुक जाइए। यही मेरा सवाल है, अरे आप रुक जाओ ना संबित पात्रा, आप रुक जाओ। मेरी बात यह है, इतनी बोलने की इनको आदत है और इतनी शौक है, प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए। तो फौजिया मुझे बताइए, टेल मी, जब एक नेवी वेटरन को घर से खींचकर शिवसेना के गुंडों ने मारा, सोनिया सेना के गुंडों ने मारा, तब अमिताभ बच्चन और फरहान अख्तर चुप क्यों थे? अमिताभ बच्चन चुप क्यों थे? Why was No, 1 minute. You may say, oh, we are actors. We don't know about what's happening around us. Then the question will be, No. Do you live on planet Earth? No. Why was Mr. Bachchan quiet? Is he scared? What happened to the man 40 years back, angry young man? Do you get angry, Mr. Bachchan? When you see a Navy veteran being dragged out of his house and beaten by the Sonia Sena, Mr. Bachchan, show the courage. I'm not talking about Salman Khan. I'm told he's gone away to Dubai. I don't know why suddenly Salman's gone away to Dubai. Salman, has he spoken one word about it? Aren't they ashamed? No, why didn't they speak about the Navy veteran issue? Why did they not raise the Navy veteran issue in Parliament? She's from Mumbai. Why did she not raise it?
I'll tell you.
Why didn't they raise it? Why didn't they raise it? When Jia Khan was killed, Mr. Bachchan.
I'll tell you why.
Mr. Bachchan, Jia Khan was killed. Did you not act with her in a film? Am I wrong, Rabia? I have not seen the film. But was there not a film starring Amitabh Bachchan as well? Did he not act? 1 minute. I am taking names. 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 I am calling upon their conscience. I am taking names. I am naming Salman Khan for his silence in the Disha case and the Sushant case. I am naming Mr. Bachchan. I am naming Mr. Bachchan. And I am asking you, Mr. Bachchan, where is your social responsibility? A Navy veteran got kicked and beaten and bruised. Why was he quiet?
Only for one thing.
On other days, a tweet a minute. On other days, a tweet a minute about everything around the world. You have time to respond to everyone on trivialities. Why don't you speak up on this? Why don't you? And why didn't you? Did he speak up? Rabia, did he speak up? Did he question Jia's death? Did he question Jia's death? Did Mr. Bachchan speak up about it? Did he not act with your daughter in a film? What is the name of the film? I forgot.
Nishabd.
Nishabd.
Yes.
You acted with her.
Yeah.
She's young enough to be your grandchild. She was killed, Mr. Bachchan. You didn't speak on that. You don't speak about Navy veterans. You don't speak about Sushant. You don't speak about Disha.
Arnab.
This is ridiculous. Yes, Rabia?
Yes. Arnab, first of all, I have to say that you really, it's not a flattery, but genuinely from my heart, I say you are the hero. Kangana Ranaut, if you people would have not come up to clean this Bollywood, that very gutter which is in the Bollywood would have never got cleaned. And you are here to save. You people are like saviors. I am so shocked when I heard the veteran actress who in the parliament is raising voice. I thought she will break her silence and read our grievances and speak and ask the support of the parliament to support the victims. I thought she will, scream for the light to remove the darkness of Bollywood. I thought, she will request everyone to clean up Bollywood from those dark and ugly people who are maligning and creating that darkness in Bollywood.
It's only Kangana Ranaut who is the spokesperson of all the failures of the industry.
Yes,
to take the responsibility to clean up the industry.
Yeah, let me finish. No, let me finish.
What do you mean by cleaning up the industry?
If it was not
are we
cleaning up the industry
waste?
from the drug
we
cabal.
contribute in the economy.
7.5 years back when Jia Khan died.
Sorry, the economy contributes to you.
The police inspector and CBI inspectors told me that there is a lot of drug trafficking. They knew about it. So here today, if media is out there to clean. All right.
And
I mean, I am trying to make a point that veteran actors who has got such a status.
It's one group of failures who have not achieved anything in their life in the industry. They were not given any position in the industry.
Who's not achieved? Who's not achieved? 1 minute, 1 minute. Did you see that, Malini? Did you see that, Malini? Kangana has not achieved. Sushant's not achieved. Ravi Kishan has not achieved. The whole Bhojpuri film industry runs on Ravi Kishan. Ravi Kishan has not achieved. Mukesh Khanna has not achieved. What do you mean not achieved?
This is a group of failures who are
Mukesh Khanna has not achieved.
They are insecure.
Malini, I think you need to respond to this, Malini.
About the industry.
You know, this is arrogance.
Mind their language.
This is double speak.
They should mind
this
their
is double
language.
speak. I'm shocked. I'm shocked how somebody can talk, and this is exactly the arrogance. And I'm so happy that faces and masks are all going to come out. And everybody is going to get exposed. Arnav,
you have to
you spoke about why don't big stars take up for the case, why don't they be vocal and speak about the issues. You know, Arnav,
you want to watch
it's ironical. I saw some very active actors who are activists also tweeting and supporting Jayaji today. These are the very artists, Arnav, if you recall, when a certain movie was about to be released, they came up shamelessly with the Takhti of Kathua case. Do you realize that? Do you remember? The whole nation remembers.
And they've all taken the same stance on patriarchy, smashing the patriarchy. They've all taken the same stance on every political issue.
No, people are watching. Priyanka, people are watching.
It's going to hurt even more. I'm not finished yet.
Just find out whether Kangana Ranaut has been...
Okay, one second, one at a time, please. Priyanka.
But in truth, they're not given the chance because of Bollywood nepotism. It's very easy to call all these people failures. It's very easy to call self-made people failures. But these people are the people that are not given a chance because Bollywood has nepotism in it. Why aren't you speaking about the issues that are plaguing Bollywood? What citizens want to know?
Mukesh Khanna and Sambit, please, 2 minutes on the debate.
We want to know about drugs in Bollywood. We want to know...
Sambit, please, Akash, wait.
Seconds. Yes, I've been hearing. Mr. Goswami, first and foremost, I should say today you have been unjust. You have been unjust because, I mean, as if one penguin was not enough, while the whole country was trying to decipher who the penguin is. Now you have suddenly crept in something called as a Susie.
Susie.
Penguin. I was really intrigued as to who the penguin is. Now you have a Susie also. So we'll have sleepless nights deciphering who the penguin and Susies are. But I know one thing about Bollywood. They are choosy. Susie or not. What Susie is, I don't know. But choosy they are. They are choosy. Miss Susie, please allow me a few seconds.
No, her name is Fawzia
Arshi. Few seconds. I don't have a television in front of me. Fawzia, sorry, I don't have a television in front of me, so I'm not able to see anyone. I'm just going by guesswork. My contention is, why are these people so choosy? I mean, look at the placard holders. They will never hold a placard for the veteran who was pulled out of his home and who was given a red eye. They will never hold a placard for Pakistan-sponsored jihad. They will never hold a placard for Palghar incidents, which in fact you tried your best to bring forth to, and you had to face all kind of atrocities by the Maharashtra government. These choosy gang, they will speak about everything and anything which will expose their hypocrisy further.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say one thing at the end before I go into the break out there, that we have some big revelations coming up in the Disha Salian case. Viewers, remember, Disha called Sushant. Sushant, according to some testimonies, told Riya. Who did Riya tell? This is going to open up. Viewers, I also want to share with you that there is one person who is sharing a lot of secrets right now with the CBI. the CBI is beginning to unravel the case. It's not just about the drug connection. This is a murder. See you in a few minutes.